Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about some disappointing products in my collection. I have some makeup and everything. Let's get started. So the first one I have is this Pure Bubbles Clarity Lotion. I'm not very sure what this is exactly supposed to do, but this one is supposed to be having a lot of antimicrobial properties. It can take care of, the breakout situation that's happening on your skin. I didn't feel like it was doing anything for my skin. It was not like easing out the breakout on my face. In fact, I felt like it was aggravating it a little bit, and also it's not a very hydrating formula or anything of that sort. And also another thing that I didn't really like about this is it is a fragrance free product. Yes, you have to choose what you want, but I'm okay with fragrance free products as long as I can get to use it. But when it has a very overpowering scent like this one does, it has like urda, like pulses, raw pulse, mixed with something else. It just smells bad, and it is very, very like strong. Like the person sitting next to you would notice that you are smelling bad, and you can't use this on your body, your feet, nothing, because the minute you apply it, the smell lingers. So I just didn't really like this product. I'm not very sure if it has worked out for anybody. This one was for 590 rupees. I tried it a couple of times. You guys can see I have used it pretty much, and I didn't know what else to expect from this product, so I just gave up on it. And the smell, oh my god, the experience was really bad. It is okay for me sometimes when there's a little bit of fragrance, if it can mask the odor of the ingredients present in this, because I just can't. The same thing happened to me with the ordinary vitamin C product, the one that comes in the tube with silicone or whatever. I couldn't use it because of the smell, and it smelled like plastic. It was a good product, but I just couldn't find myself reaching out for it. Okay, and then the next product I'm going to be talking about is this one. This one is the Elana Golden Hour Illuminating and Hydrating Strobe Cream. Now, a lot of people claim this one to be a dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream. I beg to differ. This one is nowhere even close to that, and it's not a very hydrating formula. So when you use the MAC Strobe Cream or even the Swiss Beauty base, it has a little bit of that moisturizer kind of a base to it. It has that emollient. And when you apply it on your skin, it does add a little bit of shimmer to your skin, but there is also a little bit of hydration, right? This one, it's just straight up shimmer on your face, not a very blendable formula, and also it emphasizes texture and dryness on your skin that you didn't even know existed. And also it looks really bad, and in a minute or so, all of that like slight like hydration that it has vanishes, and all that's left on your face is just a lot of shimmer particles. So I don't really like this product. I wouldn't recommend this for anybody even, and also it does not have a very blendable formula. So can you see this thing? It has a little bit of like a tint to it, and which is very, very prominent on your face as well. And even though it's mentioned that it's like a golden illuminator, it's not like that on the skin at all, and I wouldn't recommend this, especially if you have pores, texture, just in general human skin. You wouldn't like it at all. So the next one we have is the Blackmail Lumi Moisturizer with Highlighter. I pretty much don't find this to be very similar to the MAC Strobe Cream, where the shimmer particles of the MAC Strobe Cream are a little bit minute and you can't really see it that prominently, and even if you were to come really, really close, you can't see it that much, and it's a very subtle highlighter. This one is not like that. It has a lot of closely knit shimmer particles to it, and it's quite prominent, and it doesn't have that same dewiness, that dewy effect on your skin like the MAC Strobe Cream has. And another one, I have had a bad time with highlighters, as you guys can tell. This one is the My Glam Spotlit Illuminating Liquid. I just wanted to see if it is similar to my Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter, because I absolutely love that. But this one, oh my god, it is so bad. It has a little bit of a tint, and first of all, it smells really bad. It smells very, very bad. And apart from that, it has a lot of shimmer. That liquid that's binding this together vanishes, and all you're left with is a lot of shimmer on your face, and all of that shimmer just falls down. It kind of splits on your face. It emphasizes a lot of texture, and it's not the most natural, subtle looking liquid highlighter, and it kind of like balls up, flakes up, and it smells very different. So this is something I was a little bit like bummed with, and it also has a very like silver base to it, so it doesn't flatter a lot of different Indian skin tones. So if in case you're looking for a good natural looking highlighter, I would recommend trying out the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter and just skip this one. And then we have the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This one is a skin tint, okay, and this is in the shade medium tan. This is not even like close to medium tan in my opinion. It's just gray looking, ashy. There's no undertone to this, and I'm not sure how it's working for other people. No matter how little of this I use, no matter how much I blend this, it just looks white on my skin like a tint, and this is exactly how it looks. I know my arms are a little bit like deeper than my actual face, but this is the tint that it has, because I'm not able to demo it on my face and I don't want to use these products on my face. You can see this is the tint that it adds on my face as well. It's a product that's not like well blended. It's like the pigment and the base of the product is not blended pretty well, and on your face it just looks bad. I know this is a lot of people's favorite product. It might work for you, so do not get offended, but it just didn't work for me. And so I'm someone who I do try out the products for a while. I give it a fair chance, and I tried a couple of times, and then if it doesn't work, I don't want to make excuses to make that product work. If it doesn't work for me, it doesn't work. I know it works for a lot of people, and that should be fine too. Like if you like it, good. If you don't like it, good. And then we have this Essence Hydrating Skin Refreshing Primer. This is not a very hydrating primer. This is a very thick, almost like a pore filling primer. So if you are someone who's looking for a pore filling effect, you should definitely try this out. But if you are someone who's looking for that hydration like the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth Primer has, this is not the one. This one is a little bit harder to blend on your skin. I was really expecting that similar effect that the Maybelline Dewy and Smooth Primer has, but I was kind of disappointed with this, and I didn't like that it was not very blendable on my skin. It's not the worst product I've tried out, but it's not the best either, and it's certainly a very skippable product. Now the next product I have is from K-Beauty. I know this is a very like cult favorite brand. A lot of people really love it. I do like some products from this brand. I have recommended it time and time again, but there are some products I don't really like as well, and this is certainly one of that. This is the K-Beauty Liquid Concealer. This was marketed to be a very lightweight concealer that has good coverage, and it's not like something that is like quite long lasting, doesn't crease as much. Those were the claims about this, I think. For me, this one fades away in like if I do this eye and then I'm going to do this eye, you can see like a bald visible patch. So it's if out of all my concealers, if I had to talk about a concealer that doesn't last at all, it had to be this one. And if I set it, it was starting to cake up and kind of like settle onto my lines differently, and it was very prominent. And you know that product build up, especially if it's drying your under eye area out, and if it's not like meshing well with your skin type. It happens to me every time with this concealer, and I'm not even a very big fan of the coverage it provides. So I think it is quite pricey, and it's something that can be easily skipped, and you can substitute this with a lot of other affordable concealers like the Insight HD Liquid Concealer. Such an affordable product, but good lasting power, good coverage, and looks really nice underneath the eye. But this one is not one such product. And then another product, oh my god, this is like cult favorite product. This one is the Benny Tint. I got this because of like the ooh factor about this product, but for me it was like ever since I tried it out. This is a very liquidy consistency. It's like extremely thin. So what happens is, I have dry lips, okay? I have pigmentation on my lips. It doesn't do anything for me. I find it to be quite drying on my lips as well. If I had to recommend a good alternative to this, let me show you. I have it right here because it's something I use quite often. This one is the Blue Heaven lip tint, and this one is in the shade Raspberry Love. This, on the other hand, is not extremely thick but not very thin as well, and you can apply this. It doesn't really completely mask up the pigmentation of your lips, but it's not like it's barely there. It's not like it's non-existent. Whereas this one, it's like I don't know. It's pricey. Oh, I've spilled this time and time again, so I'm going to put this down. And can you see that? No. I know this is a lot of people's favorite product, but if you like have naturally pink lips, beautiful lips, smooth lips, of course this is going to work on you, but I'm talking about it from my perspective, okay? Don't come for me in the comments. And when I talk about a product, I just don't talk about it only from my experience. I have a YouTube channel. I have a comment section where people come and share their opinion as well. And when I read that, I'll be like, same. Oh, somebody else also has this. And it's not just like one or two people. There are a lot of people who interact and they let me know that, okay, this product didn't work out. And then there are equal number of people who absolutely love this product as well. So I can only put across whatever like I can recollect and remember about this product and my experience with this product. If you want to buy it or you don't want to buy it, that's your decision, you know, it's on you. I'm not here to sit and tell you, do not buy this product at all. Or I'm not here to tell you, buy it. You have to decide, but I'm just going to show you. This is the Blue Heaven lip tint and this is pen tint. And even on my cheek, I'm not a very big fan of it. And I've never regretted something so much. In a video full of disappointing products, this is like the biggest regret. And then this, oh my god, I have had like the most traumatic experience with this product. This is the Swiss Beauty Prime and Primer and Mattifying Setting Powder. Now this is just like any other setting powder, only if you go a little overboard with this and this gets into your nose, trust me, you're gonna be having the worst time of your life. I felt sick because I inhaled this and I could actually sniff it as well for a couple of days. And I was trying to like set my concealer and here the concealer around my mouth and everything because the concealer was creasing quite a bit. And I just happened to reach for this one and oh my god, the kickback, the powder flying everywhere, the dust it creates. Such a bad experience with this. I have tried out a lot of other affordable loose powders like the Blue Heaven loose powder. I've tried out one from Mars Cosmetics. Those didn't do that for me like this one did. And after I felt sick, I've never gone back to even touching this product again because I fell ill like so badly. So badly ill. And then another product, this one is the Mars Makeup Fix Spray Magic and Shine. This is not a product that is available on the Mars Cosmetics website. This I picked up off Amazon and I don't like this. I don't like it. It has a lot of shimmer in it. It's just like you DIY your own illuminating spray. Like you crush a little bit of highlighter, put it in a makeup fixer and just apply it. I don't like the nozzle of this. I don't like the way it looks on my skin. It's not hydrating. In fact, I feel like the shimmer is visible on your face as well. And now they have another like makeup fixer which is much better than that, and I would recommend trying that one out. And then a lip mask. This one is the Earth Rhythm. Why is my tongue rolling like? This one is the Earth Rhythm lip mask and this is an overnight intensive treatment. So I have seen a lot of people really love this and rave about this, and that's the reason I went ahead and got this one. But turns out it's not for me. I just can't, you guys. I just can't. I feel like for the first 10 to 15 minutes, it's beautiful, like smooth, hydrating. And after which it sucks out all of that moisture from my lips. My lips feel even more dry and chapped than it was prior to applying this lip mask. So why should I even apply it in the first place if it's going to do that for me? So I finally like tried a couple of lip products and I find that the Lineage Glowy Lip Balm is my absolute favorite, and that one works like a charm for my dry lips. This one certainly is not for me. And then this one. This is a tinted lip balm. This is from Innisfree and this one is in the shade... I don't remember the shade, but it doesn't matter because it smells so bad. Like perfume mixed with something that is dead and decaying. That's how bad it smells. Oh my god. The tint and everything is beautiful. The color looks really nice, but the experience is nauseating, and I just can't even get myself to apply this on my lips because it smells so bad. And I don't know if it's just me or any of you have faced this experience, like with this particular product. Have I got like a defective one? Because it smells so bad, like dead rat, straight up. And then the last product, and then no, this is not the last product. I have another one, and after that we're done. This is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream, and this one is in the shade Devotion. This is a beautiful shade, you know, so unique. I haven't been able to dupe this one. Dupe. See? So beautiful. It's like a deep red shade, a little bit of like blue undertones to it. Very nice on the lips also. But in like about a minute, it flakes, powders off your lips. It's so drying. It gets onto your teeth, on your chin and everywhere. And if you are going to wear this out, I can guarantee you embarrassment, like first-hand embarrassment is what you're going to face when you're going to wear this out. So I wish there's going to be a reformulation, if at all any, and the shade is available in a much like more comfortable formula, because I can usually take drying liquid lipsticks, I can handle it, but this one, oh my god, no. So then apart from that, the last product I have is a nail paint. This is the first time I'm ever talking about a nail paint, like in a disappointing products, I think. No, I've mentioned previously. This one is a Shampoo Gel Effect Nail Color. This one is in the shade number 352. It's a beautiful shade. I absolutely love this one, and I have used this quite a few times because of how beautiful it looks on my nails and how long lasting it is. But it's just that the formulation of this is not even. Like when you apply it on your nails, it goes on a little bit clumpy. It's not even, and it's kind of thick, so it just clumps up in different places. But if at all you manage to get an even application out of this, you would love the formula of this because it is quite long wearing. And I have tested it out. Like I'm someone who uses my hands to eat. I do my dishes and everything, and still it didn't really like chip off that easily, which is a big thing for me because most of the nail paints like chip off in an hour or so. Like look at this one. Whoa. This is a H&M nail paint, which is also really long lasting, but it's clumpy right now because I over applied my nail paints. Like I've layered it on too much and it's like clumpy. Yeah, not a good look. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the disappointing products I wanted to talk to you guys about. I hope you're not disappointed in this video because a lot of people get really offended, and I hope from the bottom of my heart that you're not one of them, because not all products work the same for everybody. What works for me might not work for you and vice versa. So yeah, let me know if any of these products didn't work out for you, or if it did work out for you. Let's have a healthy discussion in the comment section down below, and let me know what other videos you'd like to watch. And while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time.